Ayana, video on, please. Ayana,
I'm not.
Ayana, say please video on.
Wait.
Ayana, you are in which grade?
Wait. I'm not done.
Sorry? One second.
I'm not
Ayana,
done.
yeah, Kian, wait on. Hang on for a second. Ayana, you are in which grade?
Sir, fifth grade.
Fifth grade.
I'm also in fifth
Okay, we are
grade.
about to finish the session, Ayana. The timing for fifth grade was, fifth and sixth was 4 o'clock. But you can sit through this, whatever is left. Yeah, what happened, Kian?
I am not able to do it. This is taking me time.
Okay, so this is a very simple problem. Let's understand this. Okay, so there are two kinds of beans, right? Okay, let me just rub this
Yes.
out. So there are red beans and there are green beans, correct?
Yes.
Initially, okay, that is before. What is the ratio? What is the ratio? 25%. If I say this is 25%, then green has to be 100%. Sorry, 75%. Correct or not?
Yes.
So what is the ratio? The ratio is 1:3. Are you with me so far? Yan,
So the ratio is 1:3.
correct? Correct or not? Right?
Yes.
You're so far with me on this, right? Okay. Now, Kian, understand that when red beans are being bought, no green beans are being bought. Okay. Green beans are still remain the same. Correct or not? So the total bean
Yes.
changes, red bean changes, but green bean does not change. Correct? In the second scenario, red bean after some red beans were added. Okay. What did this one become? This one become 40%. So how much will this one will become? This one will be 60%. Correct? Correct or not?
Yes.
What is the ratio now? 2:5. 2:3. Sorry. 2:3. Correct?
Sir, I got the answer. Is the answer 36?
One second, one second. Did you understand this or not? This is 2:3. Correct?
Yes. I got the answer is 36.
Yeah, 36 is correct answer.
I found out the method and I did it.
Now understand this. This is
Okay.
3 part. This is also 3 part. Which means these 3 parts can be equal because they are the same. They did not change. Correct? Correct or not? Right?
Yes.
So now what happened? Only one part was added to it. Right? There were 4 parts earlier. Now there are 5 parts altogether. So 4 parts. If 4 parts was equal to 144, how much is one part? It's 36. 36 was added. Did you understand?
Yes.
Now let's assume that let's say this ratio was 1:4 for that matter, and this was 2:3. In that case, what you would have done? Let's say this was given as 20%, and this one was 80%. Then the ratio would have been 1:4. Now, if now there is a 4 and 3,
We will take the
so now
LCM of the two numbers.
yeah, and make the thing which did not change equal. Okay, so this one will
3 is
become
to 3 is to 12 and
12.
the other one will be 8:12.
Correct. So now five
So
parts will be equal to whatever he bought. Understood?
yes.
So now 20 parts in this case will, 15 parts would have been equal to 144. So you have to find 5 parts, which is 1/3 of this. Correct? In that case, the answer would have been 1/3 of this. 144 was 1/3, which is 48. Right?
Yes.
Understood or not? How to do these
Yes.
kind of questions? In these kind of questions, you need to always check what did not change. What did not change, and that has to be equated. So let's say even without the ratios, if I done with percentages also, so I had 25%, I had 75%, correct? Right? Okay.
Yes.
Now you translate the 75% from 144, you will get 108, and this one will be 36. Correct? Now the 108 did not change, but this became 60% as a result.
Yes.
As I increase to this one became 60% instead of 75%. But the quantity did not change. Now, if this is 60%, then 100% is 180. Correct? And from where the increase is coming, the increase is coming from this guy. So this guy must have added 180 minus 144. That is 36.
But I did 108 divided by
Understood?
6, which is. But I did 108 divided by 6, which is 18.
It is
So
into
one
10.
part is 18 and
80.
4 parts are 72. And 72 minus 36 is 36.
Yeah, that way also you can do. Whichever way you do it. It doesn't matter. Okay, whichever way you do it. Correct? That is even a faster method. What you did is absolutely correct. But you can always check it also. Yeah. Because 40% you have to calculate. So you calculated 10% and then you multiplied by 4. Good job. All right. So this was grade 7, question 2. Now we'll do grade 8, question 2.
Total of 170 students are in the hall. 350 of the boys and 3/5 of girls. 3/7 of girls wore spectacles. The number of boys who do not wear spectacles is equal to number of girls who do not wear spectacles. How many girls are there in the hall? So the Is the answer 160?
160.
Is the answer 160?
Sorry, how much?
Sir, the answer I'm getting is 160.
Okay, how did you go about it? I don't think the answer is correct. Because how many girls are there? First of all,
160.
160,
So,
is it divisible by 7?
no.
Then you need to think about when you get an answer, no, always think logically. Correct or not? Because the
Yeah.
girls are divided into 7 equal parts, right? Out of
Okay.
which 3 parts are spectacle wearing girls and 4 parts are non spectacle wearing girls. Correct? So if 160 cannot be
Well,
divided into 7 equal parts, see, this is girls are not pizzas, right? That you can just slice them up, right?
so
Isn't it?
let number of boys be B and number of girls be G. So I did an
Okay.
equation like that.
Okay.
And the number of boys who do not wear spectacles means 2/5 of the boys is equal to 4/7 of girls. So I cross multiplied. So 14B is equal to 20G. Then I divided by 20. So girls is equal to 14 by 20.
That is how much?
0.7 boys. 7 by 10 of boys.
Okay.
So B plus 0.7
Now you are
B
doing
plus G is equal to 170. So G is equal to 0.7 B. So B plus 0.7 D is equal to 170. So 1.7 B is 170. I divided both sides by it's 1.7. But by mistake, I got 10 and not 100. So maybe I went wrong there. So answer is 70.
So B is
Answer is
100.
70 then. Okay, answer is 70.
Let's check it out.
Yes.
Let's check it out. So 3/5 of this, sorry, what fraction of boys? 2/5 of the boys. So 2/5 of the boys will be how much? Will be 40, correct?
By
Will be 40, right? 2/5 of
2/5
the
boys
boys.
are 40 and 4/7
And
of girls is again 40.
the answer is correct, 70. Right. Now
Yes.
let's look at this. Can we do it and think about it in a different way? Okay, so we are saying, let's say the boys are 5 boys, so 5 parts. 5 parts boys plus 7 parts girls. This is your entire class, okay?
Yes.
Okay, and then we are saying that two boys is equal to 4 girls, correct?
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Understood or not, right? है ना?
Yes.
तो अभी एक काम करते हैं. We will try and replace this. Okay, 2 boys is equal to 4 girls, which means that a girl is equal to, or sorry, a boy is equal to. Let's do it in this way so that we
2
don't
girls.
deal with fractions. 2 girls, correct? Right, and therefore when we put over there boy is equal to 2 girls, we'll get 10 girls, correct?
10
In this one
girls plus 7 girls,
is
which is
equal to 17
17
girls,
girls.
is equal to 170, and therefore
So
girl
girls is
B
equal
is
to
equal
10.
to, yeah,
10.
and how many girls we have?
7. So
That's it.
70.
So did you see that without involving fractions, this life becomes more easier? Correct or
Yes.
not? In forming the equation.
Yes.
So if you don't involve fractions, if you're looking at 5 parts, then take it as 5b. Take it as 7g. What is the harm?
The
Correct or
answer
not?
is there are 70 girls.
Yeah, you got the, see how simply this is done as compared to your method where we involve fractions, right? Okay, Kian, so I see you on next weekend. Okay, hopefully you learned something new today, although you are a champion yourself. I am only learning from you some new things. Okay. So see you next weekend. Okay. Have a
Okay,
nice
bye.
Sunday. Bye bye. Take care.